proper-sized F150 tire spacers are the upgrade parts that most people will use to enhance the ride stance, performance, and off-road capabilities. In this video, we'll guide you through the best wheel spacer size choice, helping you decide what's the best for your vehicle and driving style.
So what size of wheel spacer do I need?
1-inch wheel spacers are relatively safe for Ford F150 pickup trucks, especially since they are hub-centric spacers. At this thickness, you start to notice subtle changes in the vehicle's appearance and handling. For Ford F150 owners who occasionally drive off-road but also use their vehicle on city streets, 1-inch F150 tire spacers are the balanced choice. The 1.5-inch spacers are the most popular options for achieving a perfect flush stance. With 1.5-inch spacers, the vehicle stance becomes noticeably wider, which adds stability on uneven surface. This size provides more stability while cornering and better control on rough trails. It also allows for larger tires without rubbing. 2-inch wheel spacers are usually used for pickup trucks like Ford F150 and specialized wide-body applications. Spacers of this size give your Ford F150 a bold, powerful look, can enhance grip and control. It's vital to opt for high-quality hub-central spacers and ensure that the vehicle is properly aligned after installation. For those who would like to add lift kits while keeping the stock wheels, using 3-inch Ford F150 tire spacers is a good idea. By moving the wheels and tires further from the suspension, this wheel spacer prevents the tires from fitting the shock absorbers, fenders, or other suspension components. Lifting with 3-inch wheel spacers provides many advantages for off-road use, including greater traction, better stability, and rollover resistance.
BONOSS wheel spacer with multi-stage hub-centric design. The hub-centric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the beavers feed the corresponding hub spacers, which the spacer more closely with the hub, eliminates vibration caused by inaccurate data. That's all for today's video. If you want to get this BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.